Hey guys, Chris here from electrickicks.com.au. Thank you so much for your order of the C2 Pro. We're just going to take you through a couple of settings now, just to help you get started. So there are two crucial settings. One is changing the voice command from Chinese to English, and the other is adjusting the speed mode. So we're going to go through that today. So let's come through. Open up your Segway app. So if you haven't downloaded the Segway app, just go to the App Store or the Play Store and download the latest Segway app and log in. I've already pre-logged into this, and also I've already opened the box of the C2 Pro. You should see your charger and your instruction manual in here. I'm just going to put that to the side. And your C2 Pro is over here. It comes with the stem. You have to connect that later, but what we're going to do first is we're going to adjust the voice, because when you first turn this on, you'll hear a Chinese language. So all we have to do is, once you're logged into the app, we have to connect and bind to the scooter. So click on Add Device. Now I'll just do that step again. So you click on the top right, or you go and it may actually prompt you to it may scan for the scooter, and you may actually be able to add device before that. Because I've added scooters previously, I just click the top corner and add device, Bluetooth search and connect, and you should see the C2 Pro appear here. So I'm going to click that. Connecting.
请根据 APP 提示完成蓝牙配对。
Please start pairing by Bluetooth. So short press the power button to pair, which the power button is here on the scooter. So I'm going to short press once. Pairing successful.
车辆配对成功。
Okay. Now it should open the C2 Pro in the Segway app. The Segway app is actually really well designed. And it's very easy to use. So I'm going to bind the vehicle, which means it's basically connected to my phone. And no one else, if you lock this, you can actually lock this to the phone too, which is quite handy. So bind successful. So now it's actually going to do a riding safety video. I'm going to we're going to fast forward some of this and skip ahead to the settings. Okay, great. So now we're actually going to change the voice command. So more functions, scroll down. So I've just literally scrolled to the bottom, more functions. And then we go to sound effects, and then we go to voice prompts. Now we change the audio guide from Chinese. I'll just do that again. Audio guide language, Chinese to English.
Attention. Always wear a helmet. Elbow pads and knee pads.
And you can adjust the volume, voice prompt if you want to still have it on. Kid speed limited mode, lighting effects, they're also interesting. You can do some really cool stuff there. Imperial and metric system, and you know there's a few other settings there which are very straightforward. So that's all you have to do to get the voice completed into English. What I'm going to show you now is one additional thing which is very important, and that's changing the speed modes. So to change the speed modes, you just double tap the on button.
Sport mode engaged.
And you'll see sport mode engaged. So this opens up the speed completely.
Power assisting mode engaged. Please keep gliding to accelerate.
So gliding to accelerate, so power assist mode is when you kick to accelerate, and that's actually a really cool setting for kids. It enables you to also get a bit of exercise in there as well, and as you kick, it accelerates.
Standard mode engaged.
Standard mode.
Please ride safely.
Standard mode is also another setting, but it's obviously limited speed, which might be helpful when you're first starting. And then double tap
Sport mode engaged.
to go back to sport
Please
mode.
ride safely.
Okay, so that's a couple of the settings. There's obviously more that you can go through, but we just wanted to get you started quickly. We'll wrap it up there, but thank you again for your order, and any questions, feel free to call our customer service team as well. Thank you.